Hey guys, welcome back. I am doing my second layout for the Build-A-Page kit series. Not kit series, page kit series? I don't know, the Build-A-Page series. And this is the kit I put together using a Prima paper pad. I mean, the paper is really nice and sturdy. I'm like, geez Louise. So really love it. I did not give myself a huge amount to work with. I noticed that. I'm wondering if I'm going to have to go in and get more. So this one is front and back of the same paper. Love the blue. And then this one is this gorgeous, pale, blushy, peachy kind of vibe. So super pretty. I had a couple scraps as well that I had from another layout apparently. Lovely. Now I'm doing the Scrapping Reflections sketches that are going on all February long, and this is one for 223. And this is an 8.5 by 11, but you know, you can convert whatever to whatever. So it looks like a scallopy edge or some kind of an edge here. So that makes me want to grab out my handy dandy scallop edge punch. I do want like this big giant one I saw. It's for scallops. Does not matter. So we have that. It has two pictures up here. I will put my two pictures, which I'll show you in a minute, up there. And it has another big picture down here, which I don't have. So I'll do some kind of clustery something down there, embellishment here, some kind of wordy bits, something here, and it looks like a photo corner. Great. So I have that. Handy dandy sketches actually printed. It's a miracle. So I have that. Now I also have these alphas right here. They are called Sarah. They are thickers on foam. There's black and gold, depending on which way we go with that. I actually have two sets of them just because I always pull like the matchy thing. I've got these gorgeous indigo and ivy stickers. I think when I ordered these, I ordered like one set and they sent me three. I have a ton of these, but they're so pretty. And now this navy, I don't know so much about that, but look at the blue matching. It is gorgeous. So, you know, I don't know if I'm going to be bringing in some of the greenish tones. I have no idea, but I did know I wanted to cut a bunch of the butterflies out and these gold leafy bits. So we're going to do something and we're going to use stuff. We'll see how it goes. Now, along with that, oh, but wait, I happen to have some photo corners by Felicity Jane Sarah. I've got these little cute chipboard pieces that have both the black as well as that peachy blush. So I like that. Got a couple doilies. Good, good. Maybe I'll have that. I don't know. DIY shop. These, I got these in July of 2018. It looks like they're just gold puppies. Gold puppy hearts. Wonder if it says when they came out. Yeah. Oh, 2016. Still cute. Maggie Holmes. I've got cute little labels and wordy bits. And then I also have a little bit of extra for title work. They're called puppy titles and the collection was Sarah. So I've got some really good stuff to play with is my whole point. Now, the photos, I have, this is my daughter, and she is really good at sending me pictures, and she's cute and funny. And these were from like well over a year ago, because she keeps her hair pretty straight now. So she's getting her hair did. And then she sent me the after getting her hair did pic. So she is actually a natural dark blonde, but she just brightens it up a little bit. Okay, so I have that. So what I do know, everyone, what I do know is I don't think I have enough paper. That's not going to be the point in this situation. I think I'll have this be my background. She looks great with blue, so I'm going to have that be somehow some of this foreground stuff. I do know I'm going to use these pieces however I can, and I want to cut out, like I said, gold bits, and I want to cut out butterflies. Now, I don't really know how like the gold floral bits are going to play into things, but I know I want to cut some out, and then I can also use some of the block paper, which is probably what I should do down here first. So why don't I cut a nice wedge, and it looks like it's maybe like 5 inches worth. It's definitely not a full half. So I'll do that, and I will scallop that edge. Then, oh, but wait, there's more. Actually, it's going to go here. Then for this piece up here that looks torn, I will use a bunch of the blue. So that's like 5, and I want it to go together okay. So in theory 7, but I'm going to do it 7.5. 7.5? No, because I want to be able to do good tearing. So I'm going to do like an 8-inch piece so I can have some of the terry scuffy stuff, but then I want it to still go under. Yes, there is thinking happening. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to cut out a bunch of my extra pretty bits, map my photos, I think, if I have enough paper, and I don't know. I should have brought in one more piece of paper. We're going to work it out. Maybe I will just have the photos be on doilies. Who knows? But I have a little bit of work to do. Guys, I ordered a new edge distresser today. Finally found the kind I've been looking for. I'll share it with you when I get it, which it was from Etsy. So it's going to be a hot while, but I'll share it when I get it. Okay, let me get to work. I have some things to do, and then I'll come back when I have some traction. Okay, so I have my background all attached down. I tore this blue piece of paper and then kind of curled up the paper around the tear. So you see a little bit of the paper coming through. And on my bottom paper with all the cute butterflies, I do have it scuffed up, and the scallops are just a little messy as well. Great. Now on my main photo, both my photos. So super quick, this piece of film that you're seeing right here, I had to cut tons of it out because it somehow got corrupted into slow-mo. So basically I was just letting you guys know that I put on some photo corners from those Felicity Jane photo corners, came up with my title, and then now we can go real time. So check-in time, I have all my pieces are attached down. I did cut out my little butterflies. I cut out some of these little gold sprigs, not sure where I'm going to put them. And I also have these cute little stickers that I chose from the Indigo and Ivy sheet. Oh, should pull these so they're next to me. You know, I'm at that decorative kind of time. So are these too yellow? Let me see. I do like the idea of having some of these little labels on here. Let's see. So, because the words will have possibly a place to rest. So I don't want to go pink. I like this peachy. The other colors are not great. So it looks like I can maybe only bring in one. There is a celebrate each day that's pretty awesome though. So if I did that, let's see. I don't know, guys. Sometimes it's hard. All right, let's do here and now, right there. I don't even know why I pulled this because I'm not necessarily even using it yet. Maybe I can bridge this right here. Have that stick out a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. It's not very sticky. Okay. So if I have that, I've got the word happy place kind of above it, but within that little grid spot, that's fine. Then I like these words too. I really like these pieces. Oh, and I have a couple sticker butterflies as well, which I think are awesome. So I like the idea of having this word beautiful in here. Maybe I should put that one there, like that. And then the word enjoy can be tucked under a little bit. And I know my hand's in the way. I'm just trying to tuck. But somebody put adhesive too close to the edge for my tucking. What was I thinking? There we go. So lots of shiny gold good stuff right there. Now for my butterflies, I had this idea that my little butterflies needed to be flying up from my title and showing directional movement. Ooh, I like that crossing that. Showing some nice movement all the way up across my pictures. Well, maybe not across the pictures, but over the pictures. I thought that might be exquisite. Ooh, that one would be cute, half tucked. And then I still also have these so I can have some different ones on here. These are stickers, so that might be fun to kind of have the two. There we go. Little bit of movement. You get a little bit of adhesive on here. I'm gonna bring in my little dot runner for that. So we can have just a little bit of action on a couple of them. Ooh, and then this sticker one. I like the idea that they're kind of just going off the page. So that's that. I'm going to keep doing my decorating. Oh, found a couple more words. Not that they were hiding. I just didn't see them. And I can get the gold sprigs in. So I have smile and funny as well. So maybe we can do the same kind of treatment over here. I think down here by the butterflies would be cuter for round 2. There, and then maybe a little shove right here. Cute. So let's see what else to tell you. I will have links down below for anybody that is associated with this. We have Kristen and we have Moira, who is playing along this month, and Christy is on hiatus because she is a very busy mom doing all of the things that one has to do, which we all know how difficult that job is. Difficult, wonderful, wonderful, and difficult. Okay, I like these bits. All my stickers are gone, so I can move that. I don't even know where I want to put these. I just rather enjoy them. The idea that I have some pretty gold bits. All right, really like that. Then, how about up and under there? So yeah, they're not like necessarily making a ton of sense where they are. I just like them as part of the cluster work. Okay, that's good. So then I do still have these chipboard pieces. And these little guys could use a little black and white twine. So let me get that. I will get these on and we'll come back and put some of these hearts together and we'll finish up the layout. So I have those pieces on. I've got some twine going on, flowing along. So here's my little tag here, here, and here. And I have a circle bit here and here that were part of my chipboard. Oh, this word funny is escaping. There we go. You saw me tuck my little leafy bit, so I think it really came together. So I think all that I need to do now is get a few of these hearts sprinkled around, and then I'm going to hit it on the directional with some Splatty Bits by Jen Hadfield, you know, the gold glitter mist, that last bottle, guys. And that will be it. So I was concerned when I had first pulled out my product that I wouldn't have enough to make it full enough for my liking, but alas, it has come together and I am rather taken with this one. It's pretty and it's subtle and all that kind of stuff. I mean, for me, it's subtle. You know, to each your own, to each their own, the own to each. Y'all know what I'm saying. Talking in riddles now. I have one there, 1, 2, 3, thinking about doing 5. Enjoying putting on all of the things here, there, and everywhere. So I need one more up in here. I'm going to hit it with the Splatty Bits, and I will show you the still shots in just a minute. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.